presenting the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, 4-wheel, anti-theft system, engine immobilizer, armrests, rear folding, auxiliary engine cooler, axle ratio, 4.10, child seat anchors, clock, daytime running lights, driver's seat manual adjustments, 8 and electronic brake force distribution. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.